What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. So you get into your Honda, you push that start button, and all of a sudden your car starts up like magic, like always. But at the same time, you're driving around on the street, on the road, and one day you get a track off, ABS, all these track off, ABS check, and you're like, oh, it's like a Christmas tree lit up on your dashboard. And I got that car. And one of my friends wanted to fix that car. It's a 2014 Honda Accord. And I had a few others. I scanned them. You really delete the light, nothing happens. But today, I got a box in mail. And I'm going to show you guys what we got here. Over here, we got an ABS module. But before you replace your ABS module, there's a fuse box under the hood. And it has a fuse. It's like a multi-fuse. It's about like almost like 3 inches long, 2.5 to 3 inches long. Check that. It has a whole bunch of fuses. Some of those fuses run to this ABS module. So you want to check that. Even after you check it, if you don't know how to check it, what I would do is go to the dealer. I am going to put it for this car as well, even though they're not bad. You never know. It's a $10 fuse. Back order. Do it. But over here, I got this module, and we bought a used one. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the video here. I'm going to go get gloves because it's a little bit oily. Here back. Okay, we can see the module right from over here. So I bought this online because nobody got it. Dealer doesn't even have it. Back order, everything is back order. And for how long, we don't know, but my friend here want to take a shot at a used piece. I don't want to take a shot at a used piece because no one ever wanted to really do it. Everyone was like, too much money, too much moolah. Dealer wants 2,400 bucks. Well, here we are. This is the piece. It's a complete piece. It comes with the pump and everything, but like I said to my friend, we're gonna replace the module of this guy instead of replace the whole thing. So here we are. Got a rag here. So these guys marked it really well for their own thing. All these, see, it's yellow because these colors are coming off. So we're gonna leave that alone. They did put a little bit of stuff in there, and there's it looks pretty good. Okay, just want to see what's going on here. There's pins in there. Okay, it looked like the pins wasn't there, but once this piece goes back in, all the pins come forward. I was a little confused for a second. What the hell? It can't be that damaged. Usually I had a Mercedes where the pins got corroded on, I do have a video on that. So that's what I was thinking. These pins can't get corroded that easy. So, this is what it looked like. The pump sits just like this. If you look in front of the car, it would sit like this on the passenger side. It has lines here. To change this whole thing, you need to bleed the damn thing. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna take off 1, 2, there's 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. These lines, the lines here, they run from up here, they come up a little bit and they go around it. Phone rings, so you're gonna ignore that phone. And once we take this off, you're gonna need a lot of space for it to come back, but the lines are like that far only. So you only got minimum, but you can like twist it a little bit, loosen up the whole pump, twist it a little bit, and it will come off. So we're gonna replace this module alone only. But to get this guy, it's about like 250 bucks. There is a guy on eBay that you take off your module here, you send it to him, he charges about 200 bucks, you can search, and he will repair this for you. You have to give him your VIN number and everything, but he will replace it for you. So this came off of 2014 Accord, as you can see. But anyways, guys, stay tuned for my video. I want to show you a complete job here. Anyways, thank you for watching. See you guys on the next video, and stay tuned to watch this, how to replace this guy on a Honda. So I wanted to take the video a little bit further, and I just want to dismount a few things here, and so you guys can see. So I have a torque here. This is a T25 here. It fits on the module perfect here. Or did I make a mistake? Okay, this fits perfect on the pump here, not the module. This is a little motor here. It's like a little pump that pumps all the, well, that's the magic there. That's the pretty much like the heart there. So this guy comes loose. This comes loose. It's 3 screws. And I'm gonna show you something on the inside of this guy. Let me take off the 3 screws. So the 3 screws come off. Keep them separate because they're different than these 4 I mean. Once that's loose, you should be able to wiggle this guy. You don't want to twist it, okay? Just wiggle it right back and forth, back and forth. Don't twist it right and left, okay? So after that, you should be able to pull this guy off, just like that. So as you can see, there's a wiring. It's like a wiring mechanism which connects in here, okay? It's like a little harness, bypass harness, and this is the pump here. So when it turns, it pushes on these guys right here. So it's a pretty good system in here. And okay, just want to be on the safe side. Just want to be on the safe side with everything. So what we're going to do is make sure you get the connectors perfect. So to put it back, make sure you get everything got to be aligned, otherwise it won't not fit. We might have to take this guy off and stick it onto. You see how this one is? This metal one here, that one popped off, so we might have to stick it off and put it back on. And it's a bit of a work, but it takes only a moment. We're gonna leave this alone for now. So let's go switch our tool here. So we'll switch up our socket here. And what we're gonna do is take this apart. 4 bolts on this. 1, 2, 3. This is a tear down right here. One is not all the way out yet. So this part should be much easier to take off. Once you have the 4 screws off, it's the same thing. Do not twist it. You're gonna have to wiggle it out. Just try to pry it open, okay? It has to be straight as possible. You can, okay? And try to keep it nice and smooth. Okay, there it is. That's how simple it is to take this guy off. Okay, try not even to take off the opposite end, the pump, if you don't need to take off the pump. So this is what we're gonna put in. So they're pretty much a solenoids. It's like a, it's very simple. It's a simple little thing, and but it does a big magical job there. So you see this little guy? So this is what we're looking at right here. This is what we're looking at on this ABS guide. So I'm gonna leave this open just like that. This is the guy that I was talking about. It came off from this end. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this and I am gonna stick this end onto this guy right here, just like so, and that's how that connects. That's how it works. So how this goes through here is pretty much it goes in, and these little guys are gonna bother you, so try not to mess with this as much. Okay. It's gonna be difficult for me to get this guy in, so I might get this bearing off here and put it in there to start off. I really don't care about this little guy here. Yep, the little notches are blocking the bearing from going in, but